Hello everyone. So this is going to be general slash as I write. I hope that you all are fine. And someone's favorite color over here is very much like in the now phase is pink. Okay. Um and tones of pink as well. Not just particular pink. It could be something connected with like even lighter shades of pink or something like that. Okay. That's what I am getting right now. I also see here connection happening, and this connection is mostly with also like one by one. I'm going to say first with someone you always wanted to have a deeper connection. Like I won't say directly like jumping onto romantic. I would love to say here like getting to know the person better, and that's what I see here. Like this is about someone you might be in talking terms, might be friends for a long time, let's just say, and it's like you just don't want them to get hurt or feel in a certain way that they feel sad or unhappy. Maybe you're also the reason. However, this can go vice versa, but maybe you're also the reason, like this may be your purpose as well, okay, but one of the purposes, but you, this is the reason that you are one of the reasons to make them happy, and you want them genuinely to smile more. And even if there are sad or disappointing or disappointed moments or something in life, like you're sort of like always kind of like in connection with them. Okay, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start if I haven't said that. Also, I'm on Instagram, SSHELLS, Shells running till date. Also, you may direct message me, inquire about, or want to convey to me something. Okay. Also, Gmail, speaks messages at the gmail.com. Support the channel. I highly appreciate it. We do need it. YouTube is going crazy because you know the views and I don't know what is wrong. I mean, being so long here, everybody is aware about this. Mostly, not the new ones, of course, but the ones who are always like on this journey with me. Thank you for appreciation. Thank you for admiring me, my work, and things. I really appreciate. Also some of the comments were like connected with what I wear, makeup and all that. So in one of the videos they loved that lighter makeup, so you can direct message me on Instagram, because that's going to be the plausible way, I suppose. All right, so let's see. So there is connection, and I'm not just saying that this is about just about two energies falling in love kind of, but I'm also getting this energy of like someone close. So possible it's within family, like let's just say siblings. Okay, let's just say brother sister, like one way, or sister sister, or brother brother. Someone is trying to get to know you better. Maybe the time is like that, or the phase you've been through together, possible. So there's some, what I hear is like closeness. Okay, closeness. But when I say closeness, it's abstract feeling that someone is feeling closer to someone. Okay, that's what the message is. Okay, the bottom energy, we won't shuffle it, but the bottom energy is pine. Okay, this is enchanted forest. Okay, oracle cards. Take a moment to pause and appreciate the simple things in life. That's beautiful. So our energy might be like together energy, because this is general. People are taking a pause to appreciate things in life, to appreciate what someone might have observed. Now, honestly, I want to say, like here, even I'm going through that phase, kind of like feeling of like feeling agitated, maybe because of weather, or maybe there's some kind of like I don't know what is accumulated in us, or as an energy, which is making people go a little, not so interested in things or around, or they want to just take a pause or just sit, okay, not do anything, sort of, maybe. So let's see what is coming now. Okay. Someone over here, I don't know who is, but yes, of course you'll know it, but someone is watching and seeing someone, They're not near, but maybe from far, maybe on screen, maybe via video, maybe just pictures. Sources could be different, but what I feel here very strong is someone is having like softness in their eyes um, when they look at you. Like they don't look with arrogance, they don't look at you with anger, um, or anything that is creepy. They look at you with that warmth and softness in their eyes, like when they look at you. Okay, so your card is okay, so your card is Forest Song. Now, this could be very specific for people as well. Like, I'm going to connect, of course, psychic, and I am doing that. But there could be something connected with you getting attracted to forests, or something very particular about some forest song. Maybe someone out here is into music industry, or could be a lyricist, of course, then again connected with that, making, composing music, composing lyrics, everything. Like, maybe that is also some kind of scenario you are into, and you love like making that music, creating, composing everything that belongs to, or you might be like your muse is kind of like nature, like forests and chirpings and birds and animals and all that stuff. um it's also connected with woods, are connected with witches and other creatures as well, and I'm not saying that it's safe, okay. But what I'm saying here is that it's also literally connected with the world of the witch, okay. Yes, and it's also, I am very much attracted to people who attracted to not people exactly. What I mean to say is the music that, like on piano, okay, like very soft music. um it's like it gives you something like magic, like that energy, like it's therapy. Like especially I like that movie Twilight, when Edward Cullen plays that piano, and amazing music. Okay, so you have Forest Song. Nurture your inner child with love and compassion. Like maybe this is connected with spending time in nature, or just in your porch area, and you have, or maybe a backyard is there, back garden is there, front garden is there, whatever that is, but it's connected somehow with nature. And some of you might be feeling very much like alive or energetic when you see the sun rising. Okay, some of you wake up in that time frame, some of you don't, but and it's okay because you need sleep as well. That's different scenarios, okay. But again, I feel like yes, and I do kind of get this energy, especially with the chirpings here. I see like some kind of text messages. I do get this, like small messages every now and then. Um, it's also the energy of I do feel like, not, I'm not saying that for all, but maybe for 1%, 2%, I don't know exact, but maybe this is about male energy as well, especially with antlers, like, and I do get this, like someone is definitely looking, but with subtle eyes, like just like when a deer watches you, and of course they're not ferocious, so what they, when they look, they have that subtle aura in their eyes, and that's what I mean to say. Someone is definitely looking, okay. And I do kind of get this energy that someone is going to connect with you in the coming time, and that coming time could be just 1 week to 3 weeks, and this person is going to send you the message. And I'm not again saying that, oh, just dive into romantic or romanticism like that. No, maybe it's just starting off something that is going to connect to energies, to settle and to vibe and to have that tuning, to talk about things, okay. Like I do feel a companion is more important, okay, like to talk and have supportive energy, rather than just running after always romance and all that stuff, because sometimes it doesn't work. So I do feel personally that it should go naturally. If it goes, it's going to find you, right? And I see here that someone is going to feel that they are as if like you're nurturing their inner child, and also vice versa. So there's love and compassion coming in your life. Look at the bottom energy, is so nice. Look at this gathering. So if I just don't read anything but just gathering part and look at the energy gathering, so maybe people go in such or maybe connected with such communities as well, but there's a gathering, okay, and that's nice. It's kind of energy that is giving me reunions and togetherness and spending some time. Maybe a bonfire is there, maybe music is also there when I said that. Yeah, that's a nice energy. Find strength and community in shared wisdom and purpose. You know what? Have you heard that song? And I've mentioned that many times. It's very nice. It's like, we are a circle within a circle with no beginning and never ending. And they have that drum beat and they just repeat like it's on loop, like on a loop, like, and it just goes on and on and on, right? So let's see what is more coming for you. Communication, love, compassion, energy, frequency, tune in. Those are messages for you, okay? Notes, words like lyrics, or someone is sharing something with you, songs. What is coming? What is coming? The coming part is the flip part. Flip, flip, flip. Oh, very nice. You have a bridge. Just let me see it clearly. It's like, okay, let me give you the message. Some kind of refocusing is happening, especially when you get sometimes. Have you ever felt like blur in eyes and then it feels like a lens, it's focusing itself again, like this. So you just see it first. Bridge is connecting. It's strong. Purpose, love, compassion, communication, crossing. I just love such cards where I connect with totems, animals, nature. They come to me and they talk about a lot of stuff. In one of the readings, the previous ones that I launched, there was this bat coming, okay, and like going everywhere till they find you kind of energy. So bridges believe in the infinite possibilities of the universe. This is about even career wise, you're crossing. You are possible traveling in the coming time. Bridge, you're going from this place to that place, which whatever and whichever place that is for you personally. If you're especially traveling, this is like a scenario that is going to open new world for you. This is like the world card for you. Travel plus opening like a new chapter is there. Okay, it's giving me that vintage vibe. Maybe somewhere you're going where there are vintage like architectures, if we talk about that, paintings, something very specific about that area. And wow, it's very interesting. Okay, so this is in the infinite possibilities of the universe. Like your world is going to see, like your eye is going to see new world, new possibilities, work wise, friendship wise, like um, getting connected to get uh, connecting with new energies, okay, and very very nice. And this is also like you're connecting with certain person as well, because when you open, when you travel, when you move, and this is a bridge and you're crossing, it does mean travel and everything. It does mean connecting as well. And also you can check by yourself what bridge means for you. But this is so nice. It's an emotional bridging as well, like between people if there were some issues or something, but also this is about connecting with people where love and compassion is going to be the focus, okay? Some of you who all are going with their own intuition, please go with your own intuition, because look, now the bottom energy is definitely an owl, because I just saw it, an owl. Trust your inner wisdom and intuition. Now, what I want to say here is that it's experience that you hold, but also go with your intuition, because something is coming that is going to turn into a very wise decision for you personally. Like if you are, let's just say that if you are thinking about opening a business, or you are thinking about, may it be small, may it be big, okay, it doesn't matter. It just matter is that you're doing that, okay. Starting to learn something possible, or starting this communication with certain person here, because I do see compassion coming in your life. And it's just not that you are going to be more compassionate, you are, but you're also going to get into touch with people who are going to be very compassionate. One could be very particular, connecting with your life, okay. Last card, what is coming in future? Like everything is coming in future. Hey, hey baby, hey baby, we are a circle, darling. That's your card. We are a circle. Whoa. Did I talk about antlers? You got bottom in it. And you know what? Honestly, this deck is like new to me. Not new in my like treasure, but I've shuffled it, but I haven't used it. I don't think I have used it. Even if I did like once or twice, I don't know where, but I don't think I have used it in a time frame. And I wasn't aware because you have so many cards in there, right? So, but antlers, embrace the cycle of life, death, and rebirth without fear. So basically, it's about, they shed their antlers when they grow and all that season. But then again, there's a new beginning. So what I'm telling you exactly is there's a new beginning in your life, okay? But what's your card? Okay, it's so beautiful. You have Fountain of Youth. Youth or youth. Let go of what no longer serves you, your highest good. So beautiful. Now, look, there are things closing, there are things starting, beginning. Just like the Fool, zero the Fool energy, new beginning. You're going to take this leap of faith in something, okay? Starting something, talking with someone, um, whatever that is for you personally, learning something, okay? Anything that you are doing is going to be the new beginning for you, and love, compassionate beginning for you, okay? Fountain of youth. Now, here, it isn't necessary to connect it with the age or numbering, okay? Because readings are timeless. So, whoever is connecting with this, some of you are going to suddenly feel more energetic. Like if you've been feeling less energy in you, like even if you are into your late, like let's just say 70s or 80s, more than that, even 60s, sometimes, and I personally feel that even in your, energy wise, we do get drained, right? So if we stick to the energy age matter, like biologically, maybe someone is feeling suddenly energetic more, okay. And then again, if I don't know, it depends on person to person, but something is going to happen. And again, I don't want to stick to age group because I really feel like it's numbered. I know it's biologically happening, but still, I've seen people in their 80s, 90s feeling just like into 30s, and energy is like more than even people who are into their 30s. It's honest view, okay. But whatever that is, I want to just say that you're going to feel suddenly like a fresh chapter is beginning in your life. Everything is like that and full of energy. That's what I want to connect with Fountain of Youth, okay. You're going to feel like, wow, there could be someone connecting with you who could be like Fountain of Youth, which means biologically, maybe someone is younger than you, or can go vice versa, older than you, okay. However that goes. So these are the messages for you. Take care and see you soon. Bye.